the natural oil that softens wrinkles and slows premature aging. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share one magical natural oil that helps to soften wrinkles, fat fine lines and slow down premature aging are naturally. So if you want to glowing youthful skins without expensive creams, stay till the end. This secret oil is Argan Oil, also called liquid oil. It comes from Morocco and is full of vitamin E, antioxidant, and fatty acid. These nutrients deeply nourish your skin, keeping it soft, smooth, and young looking. It hydrates your skin and make it glow, reduce wrinkles and fine lines naturally, repairs damaged skin cells, protect your face from sun damage and dryness, keeps your skin firm and youthful with regular use. Take 2-3 drops of pure argan oil. Warm it slightly between your palm. Gently massage it on your face and neck every night before bed. You will start to notice soft, smooth, and glowing skin within 3 to 5 days. You can also mix 1 drop of argan oil with your daily moisturizers or foundations for an instant youthful glow. So friends, if you want natural glow and wrinkle-free skins, start using argan oil today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channels and share it with your friends.